Hello everybody, let's do another eyeshadow tutorial. Today I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. Someone actually asked me to use this palette, so that's what I'm doing today. It is a gorgeous palette, let me tell you, and I did a really nice purpley look. If you have green eyes, you'll love this. It really made my eyes pop. So let's just jump right in. I'm using the shade Radiate, which is a really pretty like light pinky, mauve-y kind of shade. It's great for a transition. That's how I'm using it today. Just going back and forth in the crease. This is my Sigma E40 brush. I still use Sigma brushes, guys. I can't not use a Sigma brush. They're just so good. Why not? Now I'm picking up the shade Precious. This is like a purpley, mauve-y, gray color, and I'm just deepening up the look a little bit, giving it some depth, some dimension, and yeah, this is a Sigma E25, I think the Sigma E25 is my favorite Sigma brush. It's amazing. The best blending brush. I could do one whole look with just using a Sigma E25, honestly. So here I picked up Mantra, which is a beautiful, like cooler toned, eggplanty purple. I used my Rimmel brush that I love, and then I blended that out with the Sigma E25. The Huda Beauty eyeshadows just blend really well. They're really, really good quality, I gotta tell you. I kind of want to pick up her new palette. I haven't bought it yet, but I think I will. For concealer today, I'm using my favorite right now, the Hourglass Airbrush Flawless Concealer, and I'm doing like a half-cut crease. I just really wanted the shimmery shades to really pop, so I just wanted to add some concealer, and then I took the shade Abundance. This is a gorgeous shade. I don't know why I haven't used this before. It's so pretty. It's like a taupey mauve purple. Oh my god, I'm telling you, green eyes, purple eyes. This, not purple eyes, what? Brown eyes. This shade will really make your eyes pop. And then right in the middle of my lid, I used the shade Empowered, this really dark purpley gray. Oh, I love it. So yeah, I just pressed that on my lids, and then I'm, pretty much done for the lids. I used my same concealer, and I just concealed my under eyes, also I sharpened up my edge. And then I figured, you know what? I kind of want to do a wing, and I used Mantra, the same shade I used in the crease, and I really I don't know, I just love doing wings with my eyeshadow. I think it's just a whole different vibe. So I added little wings, nothing crazy. Again here, just concealing. I always sharpen up my edge. That is the key to nice eyeliner, I promise you. I set my under eyes with a little Givenchy PRISME LIBRE loose powder. I finished up my lower lash line, and then I popped on some Ardell Demi Wispies. The Ardell Demi Wispies, I need something more nowadays, so yeah, I like the Kiss Ruffle lashes a lot more. But anyway, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Look how pretty it made my eyes look. Like, my eyes are like kind of like a dark green here. I've never seen my eyes this color before. I don't know, am I crazy? So that's all that I have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!